Chapter 3 Charts in Excel. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, you will be able to discuss charts, explain different types of charts, identify how to format charts. In Excel, a chart is a tool you can use to visually convey data. Charts make it considerably simpler to display comparisons and patterns and let your audience understand the significance of the numbers. You will discover how to insert charts and alter them. The 12 various chart kinds in Excel each have unique characteristics that make them more suitable for particular purposes. The information will be simpler to grasp and will improve communication within your small business when a chart is used with the appropriate data style. A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as lines in a line chart, bars in a bar chart, or slices in a pie chart. A chart represents tabular data, functions, or some kinds of qualitative structures. Components of a chart. A chart has many elements. Some of them are described below. Chart area. The total region of the chart in which the chart is defined is called chart area. It includes all the objects in a chart. Plot area. The area of the chart in which your data is plotted is called the plot area. Data points. The points that are plotted in the chart are called data points. Legends. They help you to identify various plotted data series. Each series can be uniquely identified by assigning a unique color, which identifies a data series called legend. Category axis. The x-axis or horizontal axis is called category axis. Value axis. The y-axis or vertical axis is called value axis. Chart and axis titles. The title which is given to a chart is called chart title, and the title which is given to an axis is called axis title. Both titles help people to understand what the data is about. Data labels. Data labels are used for identifying details of data points in a chart. Data series. Data series are bars or slices that represent data values in a chart. Insert tab in Excel. Charts group. On the ribbon, the Charts group is located under the Insert tab. The ribbon's Charts group has the following appearance. Chart types are displayed in the Charts group thanks to its formatting. The groups of subgroups are combined. With the button Recommended Charts, it assists you in finding a chart that fits your data. Chart tools. The ribbon's new tab Chart Tools appears when you click on a chart. Under Chart Tools, there are two tabs, Design and Format. Different types of chart. Excel offers you various chart kinds that are appropriate for your needs. You can make a chart based on the type of data. Later, you can alter the chart type. Excel provides the main chart kinds listed below. Column chart, pie chart, bar chart, XY scatter chart, stock chart, radar chart, line chart, donut chart, area chart, bubble chart, surface chart, combo chart. Column chart. The vertical value axis of a column chart normally displays values and the horizontal category axis typically displays categories. To create a column chart, place the data in rows or columns on the spreadsheet. The following column chart subtypes are available: clustered column, stacked column, 100% stacked column, 3D stacked column, 3D column, 3D clustered column, 3D 100% stacked column. In this type of chart, categories are organized horizontally and values are organized vertically to emphasize variation over time. Line chart. Line chart can show continuous data across time on a scaled axis. As a result, they are ideal for showing data patterns at regular intervals, such months, quarters, or years. In a line chart, category and value data are equally distributed throughout the horizontal axis and vertical axis, respectively. A line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. It is helpful for depicting the change in a value over a period of time. Know more. To create a line chart, arrange the data in columns or rows on the spreadsheet. Pie chart. Pie charts show the sizes of the elements in a data series in relation to the sum of the sizes. The data points in a pie chart are displayed as a percentage of the overall pie. To create a pie chart, enter the data into a single column or row on the worksheet. Pie charts are helpful when you want to emphasize a significant element. It displays data in the form of a circle. Smart tip. A pie chart can be divided into the following subtypes: pie, 3D pie, pie of pie, bar of, donut chart. It is similar to a pie chart, except a donut chart can show more than one data series, while a pie chart can only show one. A donut chart's rings each stand for a particular data series. To create a donut chart, arrange the data in columns or rows in a worksheet. Bar chart. A bar chart illustrates comparisons between individual items. In this type of chart, categories are defined vertically and values are defined horizontally. Bar chart also allows multiple comparisons. Bar chart is also known as bar graph. Bar chart is a horizontal version of a column chart. Area chart. An area chart also depicts the relationship between the plotted values and the total value by displaying the sum of the data. An area chart is like a line chart, except that the area below the plot line is solid. An area chart shows the magnitude of change over time. XY scatter chart. XY scatter charts are frequently used to display and compare numerical values such as data from science, statistics, and engineering. An XY chart shows the relationships among the numeric values in several data series as one series of XY coordinates. There are two value axes in a scatter chart: horizontal X value axis, vertical Y value axis. A scatter chart has the following subtypes: scatter, scatter with smooth lines and markers, scatter with smooth lines, scatter with straight lines and markers, scatter with straight lines. Bubble chart. The size of the bubbles that a bubble chart uses to depict the data points in the data series is specified in a third column, which makes it similar to a scatter chart. The following subtypes of a bubble chart include: bubble, a 3D effect bubble. Radar chart. Radar graphs contrast the total values of many data series. Place the data in columns or rows on the worksheet to make a radar chart. A radar chart displays data values as points connected by some lines in a grid net that resemble a spider net. All data values are shown with the same scale, so all data values should have about the same magnitude. The following subtypes of a radar chart are available: radar, radar with markers, field radar. Stock chart. A stock chart displays the market trend given by opening price, bottom price, top price, and closing price. It can also be used for scientific data, for example, indicating temperature changes. Combo chart. In particular, when the data is very variable, combo charts combine two or more chart types to make the data simple to grasp. It is considerably simpler to read because it is displayed with a supplementary axis. Place the data in columns and rows on the spreadsheet to make a combo chart. Smart tip. Excel provides you with a variety of chart types that are suitable for your purposes. Depending on the kind of data, a chart can be created. Creating a chart. To create a chart in MS Excel 2016, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Select the range of cells to be displayed in the chart. 3. Click on the column chart in the Charts group. A drop-down menu appears. 4. Choose the desired option and click on it. The chart appears on your worksheet. To change the chart type, follow the given steps to change the chart type. 1. Click the Change Chart Type in the Type group under the Design tab. The Change Chart Type dialog box opens up. 2. Click on the All Charts tab in it and select the type of chart you want to insert. 3. Click on the OK button. Changing chart style. To change the chart style, follow the given steps. 1. Select the chart and click on the drop-down arrow in the Chart Styles group of Design tab. A list of chart styles appears. 2. As you move the mouse pointer on any chart style, it appears on your screen. Select and click on any chart style to apply changes. Changing data range of a chart. To change the data range of a chart, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the chart and click on Select Data. From the submenu, the Select Data Source dialog box opens. 2. Change the data source of the chart and click on the OK button. To move a chart. You can change the location of your chart. That is, you can easily shift the chart from one sheet to another. 1. Click on the Move Chart in the Location group of the Design tab. The Move Chart dialog box appears. 2. Select the desired option like Object In option. Select the sheet in which you want to move the chart and click on the OK button. The chart will get shifted to the desired location. Let's recall. In Excel, a chart is a tool you can use to visually convey data. Charts make it considerably simpler to display comparisons and patterns and let your audience understand the significance of the numbers. You can design a chart that is ideal for your data with the aid of Recommended Charts command on the Insert tab. If you want to make a chart quickly, you can use the Recommended Charts option. Excel offers you various chart kinds that are appropriate for your needs. You can make a chart based on the type of data. Excel provides the main chart kinds listed below: column chart, pie chart, bar chart, XY scatter chart, stock chart, radar chart, column chart, line chart, donut chart, area chart, bubble chart, surface chart, combo chart. There are a few things that you might wish to adjust about the way your data is displayed after inserting a chart. The Design tab makes it simple to change the appearance and layout of a chart.